friends. Diet is the intake of food in human body. Food gives energy, protection from disease and helps to maintain the metabolic activity of the body. So today let's know more about balanced diet and the sportsman diet plan in this video. Now what is balanced diet? Food which consists all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, mineral, vitamin and water are the components of food. So balanced diet is a mixed diet which should consist different types of foods from all basic groups in such qualities and quantities and protection that meets that need for energy or amino acids, minerals, vitamins, fats, carbohydrates and other nutrients, as the quality of food is more important than the quantity. Raw food also should be part of the balanced diet. So let's know some of the sources of food components. To begin with, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates we get from mostly the cereals, rice, potatoes, bananas, apples, etc. The carbohydrates are needed as a fuel to give energy. Carbohydrate takes less time to digest for the metabolism process. So our diet should consist more of carbohydrates. The proteins. Thus, proteins are necessary especially for a sports person. It helps in building of muscle tissues. It also helps to repair the micro tears of muscle fibers after the physical activity. And it increases size of the muscles. The sources of proteins are eggs, almonds, oats, milk, fish, peanuts, etc. The sources of fats. Fats are needed as a fuel to give energy for our day-to-day work, but it takes more time for metabolism process. Fats are classified into animal fats and vegetable fats. Fats extracted from animals are directly consumed. The vegetable fats are extracted from vegetables like coconut, sunflower, etc. Fats gives us more amount of calories. The sources are many, and these are some of the sources like nuts, cheese, oils, dark chocolate, etc. The sources of minerals. Minerals we get in milk, nuts, shellfish, meat, beans, leafy green vegetables, etc. We require various minerals like calcium, iron, iodine, etc. for our human function. Deficiency can cause diseases like degradation of bones, anemia, goiter, etc. The vitamins. Sufficient vitamins are also required in our diet. The deficiency of vitamin causes sickness like common cold, eyesight problems, and many more sicknesses. The more of the vitamins we get from like carrots, spinach, poultry products, meat, fish, the whole grain cereals, fruits, etc., which provides different types of vitamins required for a human body. And very important component required in a balanced diet is the water. Water is essential for us in the metabolic process. We require approximately around 6 to 8 glasses per day. Let's have a look the quantity required of balanced diet. A balanced diet is needed in accordance with the requirement of the body, its constitution, that is the body size, the shape, form and the sex, that is male or female, depends upon the age, the occupation, what type of job the person is doing, the activity, what type of activity it is, strenuous activity or it's a mild activity, the climatic conditions and the lifestyle to maintain health. vitality and general well-being of a human being. Food gives us energy to do day-to-day work. A normal adult requires around 2400 calories per day. So balanced diets composed of more of carbohydrates, fresh vegetables and fruits like bread, rice, potatoes, pastas, fruits and vegetables should be the major component in our diet. We also require proteins which we get from fish, meat, eggs, beans, etc. The dairy products and fats are also essential in our diet. The sportsman diet is very important for us and for each and every sports person. Sports nutrition plays a key role in optimizing the beneficial effects of physical activity. So better diet helps us to give a better performance. Sports persons require minimum 3000 to 5000 calories of energy depending upon the intensity and the duration of physical activity. So the requirements of energy for a sport person is depending upon the activity what is performing. A better nutrition and hydration can result in improved performance, recovery, delay fatigue and injury prevention. So our performance can be better, the recovery time will be faster and delays fatigues and prevents injuries. The sportsman diet should consist of more of carbohydrates, there will be around 55% to 60% because carbohydrate provides with an excellent source of fuel. So maintain the glycogen level, which is essential for a sports person. The protein also is an important aspect for a sports person, which should be in the diet of 10 to 15%. Proteins to build larger and strong muscles. The sports person required fats, that is around 25 to 30%. The fat is an essential for body in small amount, but it is high in calories. It is for the lasting energy. The same way, the water as well as the energy drink during the physical activity should be rehydrated after every 15 to 20 minutes. During the physical activity, we should constantly drink water. We don't recommend the energy drinks because there are a lot of preservatives which can destroy our wellness. Besides, needs minerals and vitamins. The sports diet plan. This is a rough diet plan for a sports person. The sports person should take more of smaller meals as per the availability of resources. Now, a person working out in 2 sessions, morning and evening, will require this plan. Now, before the physical activity in the morning session, half an hour before, we could at around 7:30, a person can start with tea and a fruit like banana or apple. The breakfast after the physical activity should be more of carbohydrates and proteins like whole grain bread, idli, chapatis, sprouted cereals. You can add eggs, oats, etc. 11 o'clock a mid-meal which we require the fruits or veg soup, etc. And for a lunch, the sportsman should have vegetables, rice, dal, salad, fish, buttermilk, etc. on a rotation basis. Evening session before the activity will start with a lighter one with tea and some snacks like biscuits or lighter snacks which can be easily digested within half an hour. And at the dinner should be between 7 to 7:30, and dinner can be little heavy for a sports person as we get a lot of time during night for a digestion of our food. So the complex carbohydrates can be had for a dinner like boiled rice, vegetables, roti, chole, pasta, sweet potatoes, chicken, mutton, So a sports person can go for a little heavier meal for dinner. Half an hour before going to bed, a glass of milk with nuts will be additional source of energy for the sports person. Now we'll see the do's and don'ts before competition or physical activity. Eat adequate high carbohydrates meals every day to keep glycogen stores. Maintain at least 1 or 2 hour digestion time after meals. It is best to have high glycemic index foods during and after exercises such as glucose, electrolytes, oatmeal, raisin, etc. During the break time, the players are given the glucose powder or electrolyte, refill the energy required for a remaining half of the game. What we should not do is don't dehydrate your body. Dehydration of body is required by drinking constant water after every 15 or 20 minutes. Alcohol and smoking should be avoided totally. The food what we consume should not be overcooked. So diet should be proportionate with our daily needs. The activity what we are doing. The extra food will be stored in the form of the fats, and fats may lead to obesity. Obesity can cause a lot of diseases. So to remain healthy, the appropriate diet is very much important. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay safe. Thank you very much.